I'm revealing 17 hard-to-find tricks your manufacturer won't tell you. Practical low-cost fixes and tweaks that restore performance, save fuel, and extend life. Stick around. The final trick costs $12, takes 5 minutes, and is the very reason my truck made 387.0 miles without a major repair. Let's get into it. 7. Throttle learn reset. Modern cars use electronic throttle control. The ECU learns your driving habits over time. If you tend to be gentle, the car will throttle. Slower dealers will charge you for a recalibration, but there's a simple reset that forces the ECU to relearn. Do this as a first step after servicing. Cycle the ignition and follow the manufacturer's safe relearn steps, and you'll often feel crisper response and smoother idle within minutes. This is an instant zero cost tune-up. 16. Intake and throttle cleaning. Engines over 30,000 miles often have carbon buildup on the throttle body and intake surfaces. Removing that carbon restores airflow and throttle responsiveness. A controlled intake clean procedure using a purpose-made cleaner performed correctly can smooth idle and improve MPG safety. Note: always follow product instructions and don't spray arbitrarily into the intake on modern direct injection engines. If you're not comfortable, have a technician perform a professional intake service. 1.5 transmission partial flush. Many modern cars are advertised as sealed for life. In practice, performing conservative partial drain and refill intervals every 10 to 15,000 miles, replacing roughly a third of the fluid at a time, keeps fluid clean. Without the shock risk of a full machine flush. Over several changes, you've effectively replaced nearly all the fluid and refreshed the system affordably. Caveat: if your car manufacturer explicitly warns otherwise or your transmission is under warranty, follow their guidance. When in doubt, consult a trusted shop. 1. For spark plug gap tune. Factory pre-gap is approximate fine-tuning. Plug gaps within safe limits can tighten combustion and improve throttle response and idle quality. A modest adjustment, carefully measured, can sharpen acceleration and sometimes raise fuel economy by a small but noticeable amount. Do not exceed manufacturer limits. Always use a feeler gauge and torque plugs to spec. 13. Oxygen sensor. Refresh oxygen sensors can be slowed by build-up, causing rich running and fouled plugs. In many cases, a careful cleaning or professional sensor service can restore responsiveness and fuel trim accuracy, saving fuel and smoothing operation. If a sensor is permanently failed, replace it, but cleaning can be a budget-friendly first step. 12. Airbox breather. Factory intake designs balance noise emissions and cost, not peak performance. Introducing a controlled source of cool air on the cold side of the airbox without exposing the filter to engine heat can improve combustion efficiency and throttle fuel. Keep modifications subtle and reversible and avoid excessive openings that could allow water or debris in. Tip: small discrete vents and protected areas can deliver measurable improvements without a loud aftermarket. Intake. 1. MOF sensor. Cleaning. The MOF sensor is a precision component. Dust or oil contamination makes it read low and forces the ECU to overfuel. Cleaning the sensor with a dedicated MAF cleaner and allowing it to fully dry before reinstalling often returns instant improvements in idle quality and MPG. Important: use a proper MAF cleaner. Do not use general solvents and be gentle. The sensing element is delicate. 10. External inline fuel filter. Many modern cars have lifetime internal filters that are difficult and expensive to service. Installing a properly rated external inline filter installed safely with correct fittings and clamps gives you visible indication when fuel is contaminated and lets you service the filter at low cost. This is preventative maintenance that can protect injectors and fuel pumps, but have it installed by someone comfortable with fuel systems and safety protocols. 9. Water vapor. Steam decarbonization. Introducing a controlled mist of water vapor into the intake can soften and remove carbon deposits in the combustion chamber. When executed by experienced technicians with the right equipment, performed incorrectly, it can cause catastrophic hydrolock. Strong safety Warning: this is not a DIY for novices. If you're intrigued, seek an experienced shop that offers safe decarbonization services or professional water injection, steam cleaning equipment. 8. Coil pack swaps. Some ignition coils are physically compatible across models and deliver stronger spark output. Swapping compatible higher output coils can give smoother idle and improved combustion stability. Verify part compatibility carefully and choose coils with correct impedance and connectors. Reminder: changes to ignition components may affect emissions compliance. 7. ECU relaying procedure. After battery disconnects or sensor changes, forcing a controlled relaying cycle helps the ECU settle into optimal fuel trims and idle control. A simple manufacture consistent relaying procedure. Key cycles, idle periods, no accessories on can prevent rough running and accelerate recovery after service. 6. Timing. Advanced tactics on older cars with adjustable distributors. A small careful advance can sharpen low-end torque on modern cars. Using higher octane fuel cycles for a period allows the ECU to detect knock-free operation and may result in slightly more aggressive timing. Once the ECU adapts, 5. Catalytic resin. Cleaning tricks. Catalysts and exhaust honeycombs can accumulate deposits that restrict flow. Some professionals use targeted safe cleaning methods to restore flow, but there are no guaranteed miracle home solvents. Avoid random mixtures that damage components or increase emissions. If you suspect a clogged cat, diagnostic testing and professional cleaning or replacement is the safe route. for PCV. Oil vapor control. A sticky PCV valve or excessive oil vapor will contaminate the intake and accelerate carbon buildup. A simple low-cost inline oil trap or catch can arrangement can capture vapors before they reach the intake, keeping valves cleaner and reducing deposits. Install properly and drain per schedule. This is inexpensive and very effective. 3. Throttle response controllers and remapping. Plug and play throttle controllers intercept the pedal signal and sharpen response without altering engine fueling, getting a sportier feel. For more permanent changes, professional ECU remaps can modify throttle maps and timing, but should be done by reputable tune. RS. Again, emissions and warranty implications apply. Know the trade-offs too. Injector cleaning. Fuel injectors foul over time. Professional ultrasonic or flow bench cleaning is the safest way to restore spray pattern. A more aggressive shop method involves running the engine on a dedicated cleaning solvent at the rail. This is a professional service and not a casual DIY. If you're uncertain, choose a reputable injector service that provides flow testing and proper reinstallation. 1. HIGH. Mileage oil additives. One of the most practical low-cost maintenance steps I recommend is a vetted high-mileage friction modifier or ZDDP containing additive used according to product directions to help reduce wear and quiet aged valvetrain noise. When chosen carefully and used periodically, it can preserve compressions and reduce mechanical noise on older engines. Pro tip: stick to reputable products and don't mix incompatible additive chemistries. There you have it, to 17 field-tested tricks that cost less than $100 combined and can prevent thousands in repairs. Start small. Try the throttle reset and MAF cleaning first. They're fast, reversible, and show results immediately.